Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step process on how to create a Telegram channel. Telegram is a popular messaging app that allows you to connect with an audience through channels, and we'll show you how to set up your own channel in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the official Telegram app from the Play Store. Simply go to the Play Store and search for Telegram in the search bar. Look for the app with a blue circle containing a white paper airplane logo. Tap on it, or tap and hold, and then tap on Install. Wait until the app is downloaded, and once it's complete, tap on Open. Step 2. Sign in to your Telegram account like you normally would. Step 3. On the main screen, locate the pencil icon, which is usually located by the camera icon in the bottom right side of the screen. Tap on it. Step 4. A menu will appear. From this menu, tap on New Channel. Step 5. Next, tap on Create Channel. Step 6. Now it's time to set up your channel. Start by typing in the desired name for your channel. You can also add a picture, optional, to make it more visually appealing. Additionally, write a description about the goal or purpose of creating this channel. Once you're satisfied, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Telegram channel. Now you can start sharing content and engaging with your audience. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.